How should I pack? It's the number one question I get asked from everyone that comes on my small group trips. How should I pack when I go to Europe? Well, as I'm just finishing up a tour here in the beautiful island of Mykonos in Greece, and I'm just about to head over to Italy to meet up with my group there, I figured what a perfect opportunity to share with you some of my favorite travel and packing techniques that I've learned from my own experience as well as from other people that have actually shared some really cool tips and tricks with me on my travels. So I'm excited to share those with you today. Whether you're planning a trip for just a few days or for several months, I always pack the exact same way for any type of trip that I do. I always plan to pack enough clothes and enough stuff to get me through 1 week. That's right, just 1 week, because at the end of a week, I'm going to try and find a location where I can do laundry. Little laundromat, something quick. It makes travel so much easier, so much better, and so much faster when all you have to do is pack for 1 week's worth of clothes. First and foremost, if you're traveling abroad, you're going, of course, to need one of these. This is a passport, but if you plan to be driving abroad, you might not have thought to pick up one of these. This is an international driving permit, something you apply for just before you leave. They cost about 20 bucks and it allows you to drive in just about every country that you would be visiting. So make sure to get one of these before your next trip abroad. Now, unless you have a business or first class seat, you're probably thinking, uh-oh, this is not going to be the most comfortable trip. But if you bring with you a few travel pillows, it'll make the experience that much better. For me, I bring a back pillow. It's an inflatable back pillow and an inflatable neck pillow. These allow it to be a lot more comfortable in that little seat in the back of the plane and get you there a lot less tired when you arrive at your destination. So bring these with you and just put them in the top of your carry-on bag. When it comes to the bathroom bag, just bring the essentials. Toothbrush, toothpaste, some deodorant, and some shampoo just to get you through the first few days, but also through the rest of the trip you'll be using these. Everything else you can pick up at a supermarket once you arrive, but this little bag makes it so much easier to travel with. You're going to need to plug things in, but you probably didn't think that most of the hotel rooms you'll be visiting probably only have 1 or 2 plugs in them. So because of that, I like to bring a little travel power strip. This power strip allows me to plug in multiple devices as well as multiple phones or other things into the USB ports. Plugs in with just one American plug, which of course that means then you need your adapters. Since I'll be visiting Greece and Italy, I have my 2 adapters. Make sure that you get the right adapters for the country that you'll be visiting, otherwise you won't have power for anything. Last but not least, came as a suggestion from my last tour that I led. She suggested these little travel cubes. They zip up, they have a little handle on them, and they allow you to put in them specific types of clothes. For example, just put your shirts in one and your pants in another, and it'll make it so much faster and easier to both pack and unpack and get exactly what you need out of your suitcase. I like to bring a pair of sport shoes, comfortable yet supportive, and just wear these on the plane. I only bring 1 pair of shoes with me. If anything happens to them, again, I can always buy another pair while I'm traveling. Now that we get to the clothes, like I said, I just bring enough stuff for 7 days, including 1 day of which I'm wearing. So I'm actually only packing for 6 days worth of clothes. That means I'll bring 6 pair of socks and a few other underwear, and wear a pair of socks and my shoes and everything, so I have a lot less space in the bag that I'm taking up. I'll use my small travel cube just to put those little essentials in. They fit in nice like that. Zip this up and set it aside. Quick tip. If you're traveling to Europe, most Europeans do not wear white socks. So when you go to put your socks together, just pack the gray and black ones. You'll not only feel more European, but you'll fit in a lot better over here. Next, I bring 1 pair of pants and wear 1 pair of pants. I also pack a belt, even though I might never use it, I still bring it just in case. And then I also bring a pair of athletic shorts, good for wearing to bed at nighttime, but also good to just be comfortable around the hotel room. So bring these as well. Pack them in another medium-sized travel cube. Another benefit of the travel cubes is you can see through them and see what's actually in here, just in case you don't remember. Finally, I've got my long sleeve shirt a little sweater, and a jacket. These 3 things are a lot bigger, so they fit in the biggest size travel cube. Quick tip. Make sure that all the clothes that you bring can be washed together. You don't want to have to sit there at the laundromat and wash multiple times different sets of clothes. Pack things that not only look good together and provide variety, but will also be able to be washed together, saving you time and money. And now we're ready to put it all in the carry-on bag. This is the bag that I use. It's not by any special company in particular. It's just a normal bag. You can find them just about anywhere. It's a small carry-on size, about 9 inches by about 14 inches by about 22 inches wide. It'll fit everything that you need in here, and you won't have any problems at the airport. Well, let's go ahead and pack everything up. Plenty of space in here for everything. So you just take these, this is the jackets, and just kind of fit them in either by folding them a little bit or kind of just push them in. Next we have the shirts and the pants that just slide right in. And finally there's just enough space for the last little bag, the bathroom bag. When it comes to the pillows, you can either try to squeeze them in or just get a little carabiner and clip them on the outside of the bag. Either way will be fine. Quick tip, oftentimes the little travel cubes will come with one of these, which is just a laundry bag. Use this to put all your dirty laundry in. It makes it so much easier when you go to the laundromat just to empty everything out. I put the chargers and the power strip in another little bag, something bright, easy to find, especially in the dark. Kind of push these things together and zip it all up. And finally, in the front zipper pouch, just put your passport and your driving permit, easy to access, as well as your boarding passes or any other important documents you might need just in here. Put on your shoes and you're ready to go. Quick tip. If you are bringing just this bag with you, that means that you still have the ability to bring one carry-on item that's considered a personal item. This could be a laptop bag, a purse, or a little bag. Oftentimes you can get away with bringing a lightly packed backpack, bringing some of your camera equipment, laptop, those kinds of things. Just don't come with one of those massive camping backpacks. They won't let you on with that. But at least this way you have still space for all that other stuff that I didn't cover in this video. Hopefully you enjoyed this video on how to pack light and easy on your next travel abroad. For more information, go to the link below in the description where you can read the blog where I talk about and describe in more detail all the products that I've covered in this video today, as well as check out the other video that I've done on my top 10 travel and flying tips on how to overcome jet lag. Check out those 2 things and you will be so prepared for your next travel that all your friends and family will be looking at you for the answers on how to travel better. Until next time, take care. My name's Adam DeCirio. See you later.